What we get, honey?
More car parts.
More car parts.
You got muscles on you.
Been working out.
Yeah, you've been working out. Alright, let's sit down right. So I had to go and open the box because I had to make sure there's no damage with transportation or anything like that. But Kaylee has not seen anything. By the side of the box, we have D&D Performance Interior, which I was going to say it's seats. Okay, I got you some seats. They helped out a ton with this, so kind of dive in and see if you can grab a seat out. Jam-packed. Got to wiggle.
I hope you didn't want the box.
Nope. One hand. Boom, look at that. Those are so cool. Oh, they already come with some sliders and stuff. That's really neat.
I fit perfectly.
Yeah, you really do. That's awesome. So these are the D&D Performance Interior. I think they're called the Nico? Some with O in it. What's that? Yeah, the Nicos. Yeah, these are Nicos. And then sit in it, hun. And then we're going to recline back.
I'm ready to go.
Yeah, those are actually really, really cool. I actually really like the fabric on it. A little bit of suede.
I like the stitching a lot.
The stitching's really nice. Is it really comfy, babe?
It is actually really comfy.
So we didn't get one seat, we got two seats, and big thank you to D&D. I think I was one of D&D's like early sponsors, I think about 2-3 years ago. So they helped me out a ton on steering wheels and
Speaking of steering wheel.
yeah, steering wheel and shifters and everything like that. I already had a seat sponsor, so and I didn't think they even had seats back then, so which is really cool. But yeah, we got it's a steering wheel cover.
It's a steering wheel cover.
Yep, steering wheel cover, and they gave me a little sticker inside there. So you gotta run that on your windshield when we get it back in after we get it. So.
Get a windshield.
Oh, you'll get a windshield. An update, we have the S13 here. We got the windows out of it, front, these windows, the driver windows and passenger windows, they are rolled down because I don't need to take those out just yet. This quarter glass is still there. My boy, Cody Rebolt, on the other hand, we were going and getting this trim all along the window, and the trim on this car is really weird because it's like aluminum. And in the corner glass right here, you're just pulling on it, and he's like, I almost have it, like, because the aluminum like has like a clip into it, so it clips on. We were pulling it out, and it shattered the whole window, and we just looked at each other like, oh no. The reason why we're taking out the windows is because we were sending the S13 off to get a full cage done on the car, and like a wild cage too. My S14 is still in the shop with version X, almost for 4 months now. Getting its Pro-Am spec cage. It's Pro-Am spec cage in the S14, and it's also getting painted as well. So we are actually leaving this Saturday to go pick it up if it's ready. And if it's not, I'm still leaving for Saturday because I do not have any time. It's the busy season with work, so I got to make that money so I can afford 2 cars now. Still same update with the 2JZ. I got the bottom end all complete with parts over here. I don't know. It's to be a big frog. There's usually a brace that sits right here. That's where you bolt in your seats, and then your seats bolt in back here as well. Somebody had the great idea to cut that out because they were a taller person, and if you guys know, if you're tall with an S chassis, then your head's going to hit on top of here. And instead of them buying a D&D Performance seat that's a low style, they decided to buy an eBay seat, and that is also has like 4 or 5 inches of thickness to it.
It's also ugly.
Yes. They bolted it directly to the floorboards. And if you guys can't notice, I can see through the floor with how thin that floorboard is. So I'll introduce you to my fabricator that's going to be working on the S13. I always love working with different people on some projects, but of course I'll try and I'll definitely be taking these cars to Tailored Auto Styling for a wrap and tint and whatever possible wrap needs that I need. But yeah, the biggest thing is reinforcing the floorboards and how we're going to get those seats inside here bolted down safely for my princess here, because I want her not going through the front windshield with the seat attached to her.
Agreed.
Yeah. So maybe just like surface thing?
Oh yeah, yeah, it's all surface. I'm just gonna scuff it all up and yeah, you're gonna make a hole inside of this.
Right.
Yeah.
Yeah, literally, I got that seat out by just kicking the shit out of it.
That's how bad it was.
Yeah, it broke the
The tackles, yeah.
Yeah. I'm like, all right, I got it out.
Came right off.
Oh yeah, let me give you the seats as well. That plays out, but I told him like, dude, if it's only chilling there for a couple weeks, like, dude, do more stuff. Like, you know what I mean?
Have fun with it.
What was that?
I said have fun with it.
I know, that's what I said. I'm like, I don't want you stressed out on this build. Like, I want you to have fun. Like, I want you to be creative on it, and that's what, like, that's good energy that comes out of going to a build. Yeah, yeah, we got some secret stuff we're trying to work on. I don't know. It might cost me a little extra penny, but anything for the S13 to, you know, be pretty again. It doesn't look like a lot right now, so that's why it's gonna be a fun car. Drop it off and head to Eugene so we don't miss picking up my S14 because we gotta do that. Howdy.
Howdy.
Today is the day. And look at that thing. I haven't seen that thing in a minute. Oh my gosh. Holy guacamole. I want to sit in it.
A lot more structurally sound now.
What's that?
It's a lot more structurally sound now.
Right? That is so sick. It looks really good on it. It does look really good.
It cleans up. It makes it look so much bigger inside. The thing is, as soon as you start using the car, the bad thing about white.
Are you gonna get me trying to sit in this thing?
Yeah, sit in it. Hopefully, it fits me, so. Perfect. Hopefully, it fits you. Ooh.
I guess there isn't a.
How's that feel?
Pretty good.
Yeah, you're about the same height as me, and that's where we position the seat. And especially if you get like a steering wheel, if you get a
Then this can-
deep one,
yeah.
or a shallow one, I guess that's going to depend on that too. But it felt pretty comfortable.
Yeah, this is really comfortable.
I mean, you feel so secured in. That's crazy. You have a
That clearance on there.
yeah,
It's perfect for these.
yeah, yeah. Getting the seat to fit was tricky just because of these parts that came right here. We actually moved the cage back a little bit. The cage was originally going to be right. The halo bar was going to be right here,
Really?
but this seat was way too big.
Wow.
So yeah, we moved it back to this, and then yeah, just put the halo right there, and it fit perfect. Fits like a glove.
Yeah, that's pretty good. It's a really nice paint on it.
Oh yeah, this
You're,
paint,
like,
you can hit
cutting
this
it.
paint with a hammer,
just like-
man.
Really?
Yeah, oh yeah, this paint's so
Do you know how
durable.
thick this tubing? Because there's they make the carbon fiber.
Oh, I
protector for
can
these?
give you the OD of it.
Yeah.
because this will be clean with the, because this is going to be high traffic and you get super scuffed. Same with right here.
Right.
It'd be clean to get this part carbon fiber.
Yeah.
So I'll give you the OD dimensions of it.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. I even do it right there, just to like
Yeah, yeah,
just a little something. I don't know.
yeah. Give it some contrast. in there.
Right. White and carbon fiber looks so good.
Oh.
Been a long time since you heard that sound, huh?
Yeah.
Keep coming. That's probably good right there.
Which way are you going? Out the? I guess you can't even really get out the back.
She out the front.
It's like a jungle gym.
Just like last time.
cash.
Really?
It's hard to find.
I know I got lucky like with this one. I was like pumped, and then I was like, I'm not gonna find another one. And
It's
then
such a clean. Yeah, when my guy was like, I don't want to cut it, so we tried to cut as least as possible.
yeah,
That one, I didn't want to cut the whole chunk off, but you might need to for that. I just didn't want to fit that grade on that side. This side fit really good,
Yeah.
but I don't know if that one just.
All right, looks like we got the car back. I'm super excited. We got to get the glass out of the back of the trunk because one bump and that glass is gonna explode. But I'm super glad to have this car back. I kind of forget, you know, seeing her, you know. Glass the back here. So super excited on that.
They really painted the crap out of this thing.
Good.
Just saying.
Right. All right. Let's go get this last piece of glass and let's hit the road. Oh, it's alive. And it's not smoking.
Yeah.
We had to use the BRZ to jump start it.
I want to get in.
All right, get in it. Dude, how do you feel?
I don't know what the reply back to that is.
Okay. Pretty
I feel
comfy.
like I'm in like a booster seat, like a child's car seat.
You do sit up a little bit taller, huh?
Yeah.
Right now, the engine, the K824 that is boosted, will not be here for very long. I gotta start tearing that out and do a complete swap on this thing. So I'm very excited. Got my 2J over here. You're just waiting on a few more parts, mainly the head. I can clean it up and then I can get this shipped off to the machine shop for some work. And then we can start test fitting. And as soon as I get the engine inside, then we can do some fabrication work. We will do a tubed front end, which I'm really excited. And then in the future, we'll tube the rear end. And this is gonna be super exciting. And then we gotta work on suspension, do all that stuff, drop the subframe, change out some bushings if there's bushings that are bad, which I'm assuming they will be on just from how old this car is. I guess we'll figure everything out in the future. I'm super excited. And I know I haven't posted in a little while, but that'll change. And I keep saying that, but it will. We got body kit pieces that'll be coming up. I gotta start cutting fenders. It's gonna be crazy. So hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Leave a like if you did. It really helps out and really motivates me to go and produce more content for you guys. So I'm super busy, but I love doing it for you guys. I hope you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out, everybody.